Here's how to fix Valorant FPS drops and lag. We'll start by adjusting the in-game settings and then optimize a few Windows settings. First, open Valorant and go to Settings. Select the Video tab at the top. Then, open General. Set Display Mode to full screen. Next, turn off Limit FPS on battery. Also, limit FPS in menus and limit FPS in background. And if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, set NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency to On plus Boost. Now open the graphics quality section. Turn multi-threaded rendering on, then make sure all these options are set to low. Once that's done, disable vignette section and also disable VSync. After that, set anti-aliasing to MSAA2X and anisotropic filtering to 4X. Now, turn off the remaining unnecessary graphics options at the bottom, then save your changes. Now, if you go back to game, you will notice massive change. Next, we'll adjust a few Windows settings. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open it, select System from left side, then click Display. Scroll down and select Graphics. Open the Advanced Graphics settings and find Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. In most cases, it's best to keep this enabled. However, if you're experiencing FPS drops, try testing Valorant with this setting, both enabled and disabled, to see which option provides better performance on your system. Now, find Valorant in the list of applications and open its graphics options. Set the GPU preference to your high-performance graphics card, such as your NVIDIA GPU. Next, select Gaming from the left-hand menu and open Game Bar. Turn Game Bar off to prevent unnecessary background features from affecting your performance. Then, go back and select Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is enabled, as this can help Windows prioritize gaming performance. Finally, we'll change the Windows power plan. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it, then change View By to Large Icons. Select Power Options and choose the High Performance Power plan. This will prioritize system performance while you're gaming. Once you've applied all these settings, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. These changes should help reduce FPS drops and improve overall game performance. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.